Welcome to Infoveave. This video will guide you on how to get started with the Infoboard Designer. The Infoboard Designer consists of four main sections: the component panel, designer canvas, the toolbar, and the customization panel. The component panel on the left has components and layers tabs, where you can select, organize, and manage widgets. The designer canvas at the center is your drag-drop workspace to create and customize interactive dashboards. At the top is the toolbar, which provides options to add shapes, set designer canvas view, and position widgets. On the right is the customization panel, which contains the setup, configuration, and customization tabs. The component tab contains all the available Infoboard widgets. You can drag-drop or double-click a widget to add it to the canvas. Layers help manage your widgets and organize them into groups. To group widgets, drag them into the drag area. Check Z-indexing to ensure all widgets are layered properly. Double-click a group or widget to rename it. The component panel also allows you to lock, unlock, hide, unhide, ungroup, or delete widgets. The toolbar includes keyboard shortcuts and options to adjust widget dimensions and position. It allows you to switch between select and pan modes, and add shapes to the Infoboard. It also offers zoom options, such as extend the zoom, fit canvas to width or height, and reset. Multiple widgets to access additional toolbar options to group, ungroup, align to the left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom. Match the selected widget's width and height and distribute them evenly either horizontally or vertically. The Setup tab allows you to name your Infoboard, add sources, configure expressions, variables, and color palette. The Configuration tab allows you to configure widgets, set up interactions, apply dimension filters, and link reports. The Customization tab allows you to adjust the appearance of your widgets, such as the background, axes, and more. Watch the video on how to customize visualizations on your Infoboard for further details. Thank you for watching.